Hey guys, hello my dears. Good morning. I hope so. You are all happy, good, and well by the sufficient grace of Almighty. Right? Yes. So today we are going to see about Panchayat system. So in this Panchayat system, we have three categories. Okay, namely Grama Sabha, Grama Panchayat, Nyaya Sabha. So regarding these, we are going to see. In India, these Panchayat committee will be having 5 elderly people. These practice actually started during the Asian time itself, till from the middle time itself. They used to think those people, for those people, God Himself dwelt them. They used to think. So, all the decisions, judgment took by these peoples will be accepted by all the village peoples of that particular area. Okay, also now it is actually directed under 73rd amendment of the Indian Constitution too. Okay, so under these Panchayat, three important organizations are there, namely Grama Sabha, Grama Panchayat and Nyaya Sabha. These Grama Sabha is also named as Village Assembly. Grama Panchayat is also named as Village Panchayat. So Grama Sabha is also named as Village Assembly and Grama Panchayat is also named as Village Panchayat. Okay, and the one is Nyaya Sabha. So firstly, we are going to see about Grama Sabha. Each and every village have these Grama Sabha. If you take these Grama Sabha, people, every adult people, male, female, who was under 18 years, will be the will be in that particular will be registered under these Grama Sabha. So these Grama Sabha will took place yearly twice in a year it will took place, and it possesses annual budget and important decision of the major problems will be seen up there, and members of Grama Panchayat will actually elected by a wallet only. Okay, so as per their strength according to their village people, maybe the numbers may vary, minimum 100, maximum 1000 or greater than that also. It depends upon the village population rate only. Okay, so the next category is about Grama Panchayat. So Grama Panchayat is also named as Village Panchayat. So this consists of this is actually a small committee of peoples only. Only a few committee of peoples only will be there. So these people will be elected by the Grama Sabha people. I already told, no, in a village every adults, male, female, who are under 18 and above will be registered under Grama Sabha, I told, no. So that people only elect these Grama Panchayat people. Okay, so as per the government, we have people have reserved seats for SC and ST people according to their population ratio only. So according to their population ratio, it varies for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. Okay, so other than these, 1/3 of reservation seats are available for women. Okay, so this is about Grama Panchayat, and in this Grama Panchayat we are going to see about two things. One is Sarpanch. It is also called as Village Pradhan, and another one, these everything will be seen by one higher authority, no. So they are their position is called as Panchayat Secretary. Okay, so we are going to see this. See, this village Pradhan and all regarding to their places. For example, if we take Tamil Nadu, here in our villages we are telling this system as Panchayat system. Okay, We are telling it as panchayat system only, grama panchayat, we are telling grama sabha. Depend upon their places, depend upon their state, these will be varies. Okay, in UP actually, that is in Uttar Pradesh, they will call this as sarpanch, and in Bihar they will call it as mukshia. So it name alone will be differed from place to place. Okay, but duty is not same only. And these people will have a call of meeting with panchayat and grama sabha people, and in charge for this village pradhan, one vice secretary will be there. He will be discharging the duties what they want to do. Okay, but they don't have any salary. Yes, these people comes under these grama panchayat, these grama panchayat only. So in this grama panchayat, this is one sector people, but they won't be getting any salary for this. Okay, and the next one is panchayat secretary. So these secretary will be looking forward to all those other panchayat system. I have told you 3 panchayat systems are there, so they will be seeing all those system, and whether they are taking the decisions properly or not, whether they are meeting the people properly or not, or the decisions are taking or not, that will be seen. Okay, and government will be paying for these panchayat secretary people. Okay, so because they will be maintaining the records and registers of panchayat. Okay, not only this, these panchayat secretary will be appointed by district officers, like a district registrar and deputy commissioner will be appointing these panchayat secretary. Okay, so usually whether it is a panchayat pradhan, or if it is a grama panchayat or grama sabha, whatever the organization it is, if it is panchayat, generally we have categorized 3 types. No, now I am generally telling panchayat. In these panchayat, we are going to see the duration. So totally the duration of these panchayat is 5 years. Okay, and if there is any inefficiency, and if there is any mismanagement, then these panchayat system will be dissolved. But within a few months, that is within the 6th month of this discharge, they should form a new panchayat system. That new panchayat system will continue the remaining work of the discharged people. Okay, for example, in the out of 5 years, in the second years, because if there is any inefficiency or mismanagement, this will be dissolved. So already 2 years over. So now within the 6 months, these guys will be forming a new panchayat system. So remaining 2+ years are there. No, that alone these people has to see. Okay, and generally for these panchayat people, what the source is, they will be collecting the tax and source from the government, and also they will by selling the government properties, not government properties, by selling the public properties. Okay, little which are under their places alone. By those sources only they will be getting the management. So place to place, I have told you these panchayat system will vary. No, so this is how the panchayat will took place in the case of Bihar. Okay, so next we are going to see about Nyaya Panchayat. So if you take Nyaya Panchayat, so in this Nyaya Panchayat only 3 to 4, that is maximum 5 peoples only will be there in the case of this Nyaya Panchayat. See, these Nyaya Panchayat people will be elected by the village Panchayat people. So before we have saw 2 categories. No, the second category is village Panchayat, right? So that category people will elect. I am again telling, village panchayat people, if you take village panchayat people, this is very less compared to grama panchayat people. In the case of grama assembly, in the case of village assembly, all the adults, females and males of 18 age will be there. Almost the strength will be 100 to 1000, I told. those people only elect Grama Panchayat, that is village Panchayat people. If they would have elected 30 people or 70 people, only it is a small committee. That people only will appoint for, they will only select the people for Nyaya Panchayat people. Okay, so what these people will be doing is they will be solving the tribute issues, individual issues or two party issues, group issues, like if anyone have their within their siblings, if they have any property issue, or even before husband and wife, if there is any mutual problems. So these all those things will be seen in the case of Nyaya Panchayat, and the main role of these Nyaya Panchayat is judicial function only. Okay, that is they will look after this Grama Sabha, and I told no, some after 18 plus age people will be there, they will be electing the next level. So these overview things will be looking forward by these people only, and they will also see the developing functions of that particular area where they are belongs to. They will take care of agriculture, medicine and health of each and every individuals, they will take care. Okay, and law and functions, they will help in maintaining the law and functions in village. And administrative, if you take administrative like road repairing works, water supply works, street lamps, so that general necessity will be looking forward taking initiatives by this team only. Okay, and I hope so you have enjoyed this lesson well, right? Yeah, so we have saw about Panchayat system. If we take the Panchayat system, it consists of three categories actually. Yeah, what are the three categories? Yes, good, some of you has told. Yes, so the three categories are Grama Sabha, Grama Panchayat and Nyaya Sabha. So Grama Panchayat is also called as village Panchayat, and Grama Sabha is also called as village assembly, and another category is Nyaya Sabha. These are the three organizations of Panchayat, right? So I just gave the explanation of all the three categories. Still we have many more to see in between. Okay, so in between we have much more topics, that is what is the function of village Panchayat is there, and what are the optional or voluntary functions are there, and about significance of village Panchayat of state government we have. So these we will discuss in the next class. Okay, so just to tell you the difference between these three Panchayat system, I have explained the topic alone. We will see about this detail in the next class. Okay, until then it's bye from me. Take care dears, bye. And I don't want to give you much more homework. Usually I'm not giving, no, I'm giving, but I don't know how many of you are doing. Only few assignments only I am receiving. I don't know about others. Please take these online classes seriously and please complete my subject homework too. Okay, because you guys are not at all writing mine. I don't know why. What is the issue? So you please give book reading, and I just want to give you one written work too.